In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your goals for 2025 using Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing and tracking your goals, and today we'll walk through how to set it up for a successful year ahead. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Notion account. If you don't have one yet, registering is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is your blank canvas where you can start building your personal productivity system. Now, create a new page in Notion. You can do this by clicking the New Page button usually found on the left sidebar. Once your page is created, go ahead and name it 2025 Goals Tracker. This will be your central hub for all your goal planning for the year. Naming your pages clearly is crucial as it helps keep things organized, especially when you have multiple projects going on. Next, you'll want to add in a to-do list for your yearly goals. Think of your big, overarching objectives for 2025. These could be personal, professional, or a mix of both. Creating a to-do list is as simple as typing in the goals and checking them off as you achieve them. This will give you a straightforward, at-a-glance look at what you want to accomplish throughout the year. Now that you have a place for your yearly goals, it's time to break those down into more manageable monthly tasks. To do this, add additional pages within your main 2025 Goals Tracker page for each month. These monthly pages act like mini whiteboards where you can focus on specific tasks or objectives. Just click the plus button on the page to add a new subpage. Once inside each monthly page, you'll want to create a table view and add in various properties. Tables in Notion are powerful because you can customize them with columns like due date, priority, status, etc. This feature allows you to see your progress at a glance and adjust as necessary. Finally, a crucial step in keeping everything on track is to add a calendar view. This will help you check due dates and deadlines, ensuring you're aware of any upcoming milestones. You can easily toggle between the calendar and table view, offering flexibility in how you view and manage your tasks. And there you have it. By using Notion, you'll create an organized, effective system to track and achieve your goals for 2025. Remember, the key is to break down large goals into smaller tasks and keep regular track of your progress. Thanks for watching, and here's to a productive 25.